Hey, good morning, everyone. Brian Hoops here with Midwest Market Solutions. This is our Market Insider TV opening commentary, and it is Tuesday. It's June the 17th. Good morning, everyone. Hope you are off to a great start. Looking forward to today's trade activity. We're going to help you out, hopefully, with some ideas on the fundamentals and directions of the marketplace in here. Well, let's look at overnight trade first. We'll talk about some news here. Dollar is a little bit firmer. Natural gas a little firmer here. Crude oil, it's higher, about 1.5% higher. It's not screaming higher in here, despite the news last night that President Trump had indicated everyone should leave Tehran. An indication would be there's more bombs coming, and that there would be an escalation to the conflict. I think the market here is trying to anticipate that we are going to have some sort of a trade agreement being reached, and that's why we're not just screaming higher. We're higher, but it's not a 10, 5, 6, 7, $8 type trade like the first day when and even Sunday night for a period of time. Stock market a little lower off of this news, and grains here are mixed. Decent corn is up 2.5, and well as November soybeans up 2.5. The weather still looks really good, so I don't think these rallies are going to be able to be sustained. Oats, 4.5 cents better, but the wheat is all a little bit firmer as well. Chicago, 4.5 better. Kansas City up 3 3/4. And spring wheat is down 1 to 2 cents in the overnight markets. All right, let's get into some of our news here in the features this morning. Good source of information is our website, where you can sign up for our text service, Twitter feed, our daily newsletters, and our video series. All right, offices, 5 different locations around the Midwest, trying to help you out with your marketing and your trading. Weather-wise, looks nearly perfect. Ideal growing conditions across the Corn Belt, 6-10 day calling for above normal temps and precipitation. That's going to keep a lid on rally attempts. By next Monday, Tuesday, looks like northern half of Iowa and southern Minnesota are going to receive some very welcome water. A lot of drinks in there. There's some areas, of course, by Council Bluffs, Omaha, needing some rain badly, but a lot of areas are going to receive some over the next 7 days. And this is a pretty favorable forecast overall. Schedule for this week: grain markets will be closed Wednesday night and all day Thursday for Juneteenth. Markets will reopen Thursday evening. Grain markets will reopen Thursday evening. Trade regular time on Friday. Livestock markets open Friday morning at 8:30. Last trading day for July grain options is this Friday. That's the 20th. They go off the board at the close of the grain markets on Friday afternoon. We had an open crush report out yesterday morning. The crush came in at 192.8 million bushels, slightly below estimates, but still much higher than last month's and well above last year's numbers. Very strong crush numbers, which would indicate you'll have more oil as well, more meal, more oil with this big crush. Oil stocks came in lowest levels in 21 years, which is a very positive sign for this market. So good crush numbers there, very friendly. And bean oil did close limit up yesterday. It has expanded limits again today, but we're not testing those. The bean oil is actually trading lower along with soybean meal in the overnight markets. Crop progress conditions report showed corn 72% good to excellent, 1% improvement on the week, and now we're exactly the same as last year. If we have a crop as big as last year and 5 million more acres, we are probably looking at taking this corn from the 438, 440 range down into the 420s easily amid good growing conditions this summer. Soybeans rated 66 good to excellent. That's a drop of 2% from the week, and we're 4% behind last year. Spring wheat is now 57 good to excellent, an improvement of 4%, still well below last year's level. But winter wheat 52 good to excellent. That's down 2 from last week and 3% better than a year ago. Harvest has reached 10% in the U.S. Last year we were 27% harvested this time, so we may be running into a case where some of the double crop soybeans get planted a little bit later or don't get planted at all because of the late winter wheat harvest. This week's cattle facts show list, it's up 9,400 head for a total of 232,000 head. Show list numbers starting to increase a little bit here, even though our supplies remain extremely tight. We have a cattle on feed report coming out Friday at 2 o'clock Central Time. And the on-feed number, I'm looking at 99%. Placements on around 95.6. So very bullish as far as placements go, and on-feed numbers friendly as well. Very tight supplies. We're not putting a lot of cattle in feedlots. Marketing's 90%. It's sets up to be a friendly report coming out on Friday afternoon. All right, have a good day, everyone. Good luck and good trading. This has been Brian Hoops from Midwest Markets. Talk to you again at around noon, and then again after the close.